Today we are going to be replacing the filter on your Zimmer MedizinSystems Cryo 6 device. The only tool required will be a Phillips head screwdriver. The filter is located conveniently at the rear of the cryo system, which is easily accessed by turning the cryo system around. To begin replacing the filter, we will make sure that the system is powered into the off position and is unplugged from the outlet. We will then remove the two wheel covers located on the back of the device, which will slide off towards you, revealing the back plate. From here, we will need our screwdriver, and we will unscrew the 4 screws holding the rear plate on the device and the filter into place. Once the 4 screws are removed, you can take the plate off, exposing the filter of the device. You will notice the yellow and green grounding wire attached to the tab on your existing filter. The grounding wire is easily removed by pulling on the clasp, releasing the filter. Please note that the new filter will come pre-installed with a tab. There is no need to unscrew or remove the tab on the existing filter. To install the new filter, you'll begin by reattaching the grounding wire onto the pre-installed tab. Once the grounding wire is attached, you will place the filter into the back panel and then position the rear plate into place. From here, we will reinsert the 4 screws, replace the wheel covers, and the system will be ready for use.